So if you look at the mistake we made in our last analysis, we failed to look into the daily and the weekly time frame. Of course, we've always had that chart, but just an oversight. And now the market hinged between these two zones for sell buy continuation. So on a weekly time frame, breakout of this floor is a sell confirmation. And on the same weekly time frame, you also want to see a breakout from this structure. This was responsible for the current sell we have on weekly time frame. So on weekly, I want to put a circle dot to it. We have here as resistance, and we have here as support. Now, this interchange gave us a descending trend line impetus, and it's a clean break and retest. And when price came back, it retested it, and you have seen a strong bearish drop. Look at what price did, was to go into the structure, was to go into there and draw down. And if it breaks away from here, it's going to be a sell confirmation. And that sell confirmation, most likely on weekly time frame, I want to seek a solace from here. Yes, this is a weekly candle close. And remember, the market can go against all this. When market wants to move, your analysis will not matter. No analysis will matter when a market wants to go. But at the moment, we're just doing the right thing. So we're interpreting the structure, and that doesn't mean that it will go this way 100%. So the probability is high that it could be in this direction. And let me put my trend impetus on weekly time frame. RS1, resistance becomes support and breakout structure. Resistance becomes support and breakout structure 2. Breakout structure put here as a pending demand floor on weekly time frame. So on weekly TF, I want to see a pushback into that structure. So if price comes into there, of course, you see what price has done there, respected it. So if it comes back, that could be a new demand floor. But I expect it to pull below that. I expect it to pull below that. I expect it to pull below that demand floor. I expect it to pull below it. And this weekly time frame will also be watched. If we have break and close below here, that's a beautiful sell confirmation, a very beautiful sell confirmation. And I do like here, the market has already given us a 49 template as a very tentative zone, and its price actions are very clear. Let me also give you the impetus for free. We have here as a resistance becomes support on breakout structure, a breakout structure, and a retest, clean retest. So on technical, that becomes a demand floor on technical. On weekly TF, remember these are all weekly TF. So if it comes back here, it's going to react. So most likely 49753, it's an anticipated area of buy. And have a descending trend line impetus around here, which I was also looking at it on, I was looking at it on 4 hours. On 4 hours, I do really like the price action that happened here on 4 hours. I do really like it. And the reason I do really like it is, let me share that perspective with you. I do really like it, and you can see it's an existing price action. Very clean, and accurate. So let me put the impetus on. So we have here as a resistance structure, and we have here as a support structure 1, support structure 2, support structure 3, for our candle close 4, and a repeat of that price action 5. So on technical, if here fails, 47 level fails, here will not fail, 37 level. That could be a retest that will match price back and send it back to their base where it's expected to respect structure. Market respect structure. That is what everyone must know. It doesn't matter your strategy. It doesn't matter your strategy you are using. But I want to tell you for free that market respect structure. Yes. And it will always respect it. So that's now all I have for now for BTC. And I'm focusing on my pair gold, silver, copper. I'm a metal guy. You all know I hold bachelor in engineering, metallurgical engineering. So I'm a metal guy. Everything I do it for metal. I do all for metal. So if price pulls back, this is an anticipated zone on weekly time frame. I don't know if that's gonna happen, but this is just what I anticipate on weekly TF. So bye for now.